Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today we are in Brooksville, Florida for the Rebel Soul Motorcycle Rally. But before we get too far into that, you know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell. Leave a comment below, thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated.
Attempt. Put that sign up there, I'll hit the sign. A little short. I don't know where your husband is, but we're not going to say anything. Oh, shit. No disrespect. The day I made it through Big Mike's legs, I praise God. Thank you, I didn't hit him in the balls. Nice throw. And if you decided you wanted to play and join in with us, go right ahead. Oh. There you go. You're facing that way. Teach him young. Whoa, nice throw! You got the closest so far. There you go. There you go. All right, you made it down here. Put a little oomph in it. Crap. You see the look on her face? You can piss her off. This is about as exciting as horseshoes to me. Sideways bowlers. See? You're facing that way. There it is. Oh. You're a little short too, you know that? Alright, I'm moving closer. You want it closer? Alright, I'll tell you what. How's that? Is that better? Okay. Here we go. Somebody's gonna make it this time. Holy crap, look out! Okay. I'm not gonna force you. Go ahead, try it that way, see what happens. Bam. So far you've come the closest.